Now draw the larger circular wheel with a radius of 130 mm as given. Now you can take the center as A prime. Take this center as A prime. And then you can take this point here as A. You can take this point here as B. And then you can radiate a line starting from A prime to meet your arc. So this is the line. So now we've been given the center of the rolling circle. We have the radius of the rolling circle as 21. As 21. So you place it here. You draw an arc here, and then you draw an arc, and then you locate the center, and then you draw your circle. Draw your circle like that. After which, starting from this point again, point A prime, you draw an arc passing through this point, like this. Now you can draw another arc passing through the center of the circle. So you have it like this, through the center of the circle, like this. So now you can divide this circle into 12 equal parts. After dividing into 12 equal parts, you number like this. Starting from here, you have your 0 here, and then you have 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and then 5, you have 6 here, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Then using this place as your center again, point A as your center, you radiate an arc through point 7, so that will be through point 7 and 5, like this. Now you radiate another one through point 8, and that will be through point 8 and 4, like this. You radiate a line through point 9, so and that will be through point 9 and 3, like this. You radiate another one through point 10, and that will be 2.10 and 2, like this. And then you radiate another line through 11, another arc through point 11, and then that will be through 11 and 1. So now you take divisions, this division between point 6 and 7. After you measure it, you now transfer. So you have 1 here. Okay, no, you start from here, sorry. You take this division, okay, still the same division. You now start from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you do it all up to 12. Don't forget, if it is hypocycloid, it's going to be from here, but now that it's hypocycloid, it's going to be here. So you do it up to 12. So you now number. So this is going to give you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You now radiate lines from point A to meet these points. So here you have the first one, then to 2, to 3, and then the same thing like that, 4, and then you go 5, 6 till 12. Now don't forget, this is the center of the rolling circle C. Then now along the arc of the center of the rolling circle, you now have 0, 1 here, and then this 2, you have 0, 2 here, you have 0, 3, don't forget this along the arc of the line of the arc through the center C, and then you have 0, 4 here. You have 0, 5, 0, 6, 0, 7, 0, 8, 0, 9, 0, 10. This is going to give the different positions of the rolling circle, and then 12. So now you take your circle, your compass, using point C as the center. You get this radius here. So that's the first radius. So you know the same with the same radius, you come to 0.01, and then you draw an arc. You draw a circle. You draw a circle. You now move to 0.2. You draw another circle. You maintain your radius. Don't change it. You now go to 0.3. You draw a circle. And then you move to 0.4. You draw a circle. So the same thing, you go for 0.5, 0.6 until you reach 0.12. So now looking at this point, starting from point 0, you now locate another point through arc 1, and then with circle of radius 1, and then the next circle of radius 2 coinciding with the arc of line of 2, and then the next point here through point 3, and then circle radius of 3, and then the next point through point 4. Don't forget these are the arcs. This 6, this 5, this 4, this 3, this 2, this 1. So now through arc 4, and then center, and then circle with radius of 4, and then the next one through arc 5, and then circle with radius of 5 with center of 5, and then through arc 6, and then circle with radius of 6 is going to be here. Now the next one is going to be through arc 7. This is arc 7 here. So now circle with radius of 7 is going to be here. This is the intersecting point. Now through arc 8, this is arc 8. So now circle with radius of 8, with center of 8, 0, 8, and then through arc 9. You can see this is 9. So and then circle with radius, with center of 0, 9. You have it here. So the same thing through arc 10, and then circle with center of what? 0, 10. So the same thing through arc 11, and then circle with radius of 0, 11, and then the last one is 12. So now using your French curve, and you join these points, you're going to have your hypocycloid. Don't forget, the difference between hypocycloid and epicycloid is that for hypocycloid, your counting is going to be on top. But for your epicycloid, your counting is going to be, it means your divisions here, 1, 2, 3, 4 to 12 is going to be below. So that's the main difference between your epicycloid and hypocycloid. So this gives the hypocycloid, as you can see. So all you need to do is now take your eraser and clean up these unwanted parts. And this is your hypocycloid.